Hello and welcome to Skill Techathon. This is part 2 of most frequently asked SQL interview questions and answer series. Question number 11. What are indexes in SQL? Indexes in SQL are data structures that improve the speed of data retrieval operations on a table by creating a quick lookup for specified columns. There are two types of SQL indexes, clustered index and non-clustered index. Cluster index sorts and stores data rows in the table based on the index key. Each table can have only one, whereas non-clustered index stores pointers to the actual data, allowing multiple key per table. Question number 12. What is a subquery? A subquery is a query nested inside another SQL query. It is used to perform operations that depend on the results of another query. There are various types of subqueries like correlated subquery. It depends on values from the outer query and is evaluated for each row. Then non-correlated subquery. So non-correlated subqueries are independent of the outer queries. Then there are single row subquery as well, which returns a single value. For example, it is used with the equal to operator, less than or greater than operator. Multiple row subquery, which returns multiple rows. For example, they are used with in, any, all operator. Then we have scalar subquery as well, which returns a single value and can be used in select, where, or having clauses. Question number 13. What is a view? So a view is a virtual table in SQL, which is based on the result of a select query. Now view doesn't store data, but displays data from one or more underlying tables. Views are used for simplifying complex queries, which improves security and presenting specific data to users. Question number 14. What is the difference between union and union all? So union, it combines result of two queries and removes duplicate rows. However, union all combines result of two queries without removing duplicates and it retains all rows. Question number 15. What is normalization? So normalization is the process of organizing a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. So there are various types like 1F. 1F stands for first normal form, which eliminates duplicate columns and ensures atomic values. 2NF, which stands for second normal form. It removes partial dependencies and ensures each non-key column depends on the entire primary key. Then 3NF, which stands for third normal form. It removes transitive dependencies and non-key columns depend only on the primary key. Then we have BC and F, which stands for Boas code normal form. It ensures strict dependency on super keys. Question number 16. What is denormalization? So denormalization is the process of combining normalized tables to improve read performance by reducing the need for joins. It involves adding redundancy or grouping data to simplify queries, and it's often used in data warehousing. Number 17. How to fetch the current date in SQL. So we can use, like in MySQL and Postgres, you can use select car date. Then in SQL Server, you can use select get date function, or in Oracle, you can use select sysdate from dual. Question number 18. What is a stored procedure? A stored procedure is a precompiled collection of SQL statements stored in the database. It can be executed as a single unit to perform a specific task, improving performance, security, and reusability. You can create a stored procedure using the command create procedure. Suppose we are creating a procedure for get employee count. So you can use the syntax create procedure, get employee count as begin. Then inside begin, you need to write the command select count star from employees, then you need to end the procedure, end. Now, if you want to call this procedure, you can directly use call get employee count. Question number 19. What are triggers in SQL? So triggers in SQL are automatic actions or events that are triggered by specific changes in a database, such as insert, update, or delete operations. They are used to enforce business rules, maintain data integrity, or log changes. Question number 20. This is one of the most asked interview question. How to retrieve the second highest salary? We can simply write the query, select max salary from employees where salary less than, inside the bracket we need to write select max salary from employees. So what's happening here is, first select max salary from employees, inside the where clause is executed, we'll get the max salary. Then the outer query is executed, so we will get max salary, which will always be less than the maximum salary. We'll get the second highest salary. This query finds the maximum salary less than the highest salary, effectively returning the second highest. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video with some more most frequently asked SQL interview questions and answers.